Hey, did you know that millions of people turn to astrology website every day for insight and guidance? It's true. Whether you are a skeptic and true believer, there's some things intriguing about how these sites can impact your daily lives. Today we are diving into the world of the astrology website. You might think you know all the big name like astro.com and astro.com, but trust me, there are some hidden games out there that could totally elevate your astrology game. So let's explore 5 unique astrology website that you probably didn't know exist. Okay, now let's face it, with so many astrology website popping up everywhere, it can be a bit overwhelming to find the ones that are actually credible and offer something unique. Some sites are just rehearsing and some old content, while other can be downright confusing. How to know which ones to trust and how to shift through the noise, find reasonable, really resonate with you. That's the challenge we are tracking it. Now I am going to tell you the 5 most interesting website that will help to you very much. The first name is dosto. You can hear is this site is powerhouse for anyone looking to dive deep into their astrological chart. It's offered free natural chart and transit the even compatibility report. And best part is that you can predict and you can see here that how can it is work and interface is very clear. Now coming to the second AI tool, you can see here the name is cafastrology.com, that is daily horoscope. You can see here the different types. I don't know how to use it, but I just only the website because people are recommending, people are commenting that please make the videos. The third name is you can see here is astrozone.com. Astrozone.com is by must mentions Sunsense monthly forecast are like a mini astrology class packed with insight that help guide you through the month ahead. And let's not forget about astroseek.com. You can visit there. And this is the now for the most unexpected website, the name is Astro Twins. Astro Twin, this site is run by twin sister, where sisters are only on professional astrology but also lifestyle expert. That makes them stand out. Their fun and relatable approach. You can see here the different things. You can visit here and do the thing is. So there are have it. You have covered five. We have covered 5 astrology website that enhance your understanding, enjoyment, and astrology from detail. Natural chart, you can visit there and do the thing. Don't hesitate to check it out. So what are your favorite astrology website? Drop your recommendation in the comment below, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. So thank for watching it. Thank you.